So I welcome my beautiful guest, Shammi and Sanjay from Chola. साथ में क्या काम कर लेता होगा कोई, क्योंकि कपल है तो काम कर ही नहीं सकते साथ में, कुछ ना कुछ तो अनबन गड़बड़ चलता रहता है.
It was never ever love at first sight or anything like that.
Okay.
It was pure fashion, pure passion. BSc in industrial chemistry, and I did my sales and marketing management.
ये जो
You don't
हमारे
know
लिए
how
भी-
much we cried that day.
And you know what she did?
हाँ.
You just shut up.
Oh, I can't even imagine, Shammi.
And she was like, अब पापा फटने वाले.
हमने पता है क्या की, हमने अपनी पार्टी अलग. It was a party by Sanjay and Sniggs. So now coming from your previous Chola, where it was, to today, where it is, I mean, I have seen it all. As I said, I don't call it growth. I just call it a blessing. But आप मुझे बताएं, how did this journey from there to here, to where you are today, and everything where you are located and whatever, जो भी है, I want to listen to this, कि वो कैसे हुआ?
आपने
How did
आंसर
this shift?
दिया है. Blessing. It's pure blessing and
blessing.
nothing
वो
else.
है.
So look at this now. You know, we were very happy with what we were doing. I understand. You know, having a multi-floor, massive store, bigger
And that too
branding
in a
and all.
location?
Literally Com Street.
Yeah, ekdam,
So-
you're just bang on the Com
and
Street.
So this offer came to me by the gentleman, and can you bid at this? You know, so they approached me and they asked, would you be interested? And we're like, ठीक है, देखेंगे.
Okay.
Like we are not interested, kind
हाँ.
of, because मुझे
You've already been at that place for how long? जो previous वाला था आपका?
2017 to 2020, नहीं, 7 to 15 years.
15 years is a long time.
Yeah, it was a long time, and a lot of we had got a very good clientele, and we were
absolutely.
not really
And
bothered
we
about
were
those
like,
things.
we were into we were looking for only appointment clients, not walk-ins.
हाँ.
That was the
So we
reason
were
we
very
were
happy.
That
there.
was not your clientele, yaar.
Yeah.
Walk-ins
Yes.
are not your
They
clientele.
were never.
Today,
That was the
even
reason we were there.
I know the kind of clientele you
So-
have.
This gentleman approached us, and a lot of people in the past have approached us because they were so happy, fascinated with our clothing that they would say कि संजय भाई एक स्टोर चेन्नई में भी खोलो, एक हैदराबाद में भी खोलो. And you used to tell them कि ठीक है, you become my
Yeah,
investing
you- yes,
partner or
yeah,
whatever. We'll do
obviously.
it together.
हाँ.
So when this gentleman also
Investors
approached,
were there, but working partners were not there.
so
Right.
when this gentleman also approached, कि would you like to do? I was like कि हाँ ठीक है, let me see seriousness in you first. So
Yeah.
they were behind us for more than a year.
Acha. Then you saw that
And
this
then you
is a
saw,
serious,
yeah, there is a serious, you know, a
proposal.
person who is interested and who is ready to work with together and stuff like that.
So यहाँ पे करीब 2 years? and
3 years.
3 years.
Three, close to, because I remember it was soon after the COVID
Yeah,
went off
yeah,
that
yeah,
you
yeah.
Yes.
opened and launched in
Yeah.
such a beautiful place. And for all the viewers who are looking at amazing collection, well, this is definitely not a walk-in store, but something which is very curated. So Chola, don't forget, this is on the commercial street, and when you have Sanjay and Shammi, you get the best. That is one thing I can vouch for. So आपके यहाँ पर जो 3 years हुए हैं अभी, do you feel that you've taken the right decision?
Oh yes, every day,
It's
every
like-
day. I just keep thanking God that you gave me this.
है ना, this
because मैं
opportunity.
इससे ज़्यादा नहीं मांग सकता था. मतलब मैं तो ये मुझे
so
जितना
lucky.
मांगा था उसके beyond आपने दिया
Beyond it, yeah,
है. So
which
I
is
can't ask for anything beyond this now.
great.
It's God has always I've seen given me way beyond.
And you know why, na?
I don't know.
That's only
I-
because
no,
when
no.
you are, I believe in this, good human beings just get it. They don't have to ask and they don't have to expect.
Yeah, they gave me.
जैसे अभी शम्मी आपकी लाइफ में अपने आप से आई जिनको सिख चाहिए
नहीं,
थे,
आप मतलब
उसने
उनको
मारवाड़ी
आप
से
giving-
शादी ना कर ली. सोचो.
Look, you're giving credit to him and to me.
वो तो of course है ही है, no, क्योंकि वो खुद से बोले पता नहीं, I don't know.
No, I'm serious about it. This is pure destiny, pure blessings.
great, no?
People can keep talking about hard work as much as they want, but however hard work you want,
कुछ तो
do.
लक होता है ना.
Luck मुझे लगता है कि पेरेंट्स से आता है मुझे. In my case, it has always been
Luck,
the
blessings.
blessings.
Yes.
You know, however hard work you put in.
And love of our clients.
Wow, lovely.
That is
and
next level.
We will continue to love you all, guys. Yeah. एक चीज मुझे याद है, संजय, I don't know when was it. क्या हमने उस पार्टी में, अपनी पार्टी में डिस्कशन किया, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. But there was something that you had told me. I mean, this is something I remembered offhand suddenly as we are speaking. Is एक कोई स्टोरी बताई थी आपने अपने अंकल की, जहाँ से you have learned a lot of humanity.
Yes.
कुछ बताया था आपने मुझे.
That
Right?
I
Would you
have
like to
learned.
share that?
Yeah, and I do that day in day out.
हाँ.
And It's very simple, you know, again, cliched, ये काम कोई भी छोटा नहीं होता है, kind of a thing. But how many of us really understand that and implement that?
Yeah.
So way back, long back, when I was just studying even, and I was kind of doing apprenticeship, you can say, some kind of a training at my uncle's place. So one day he came and उनकी कार में कुछ सामान था, 4-5 cartons. He just picked a couple of cartons himself, brought inside the office, and he did not have to utter a word. I just went up and picked up the other cartons and did it. Before that, at that age at least, definitely मेरे मन में होता था ये काम बड़ा काम छोटा. And on that day I realized ये काम तो छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. And after that, it has been a constant effort at my store, and I'm just blessed that my team understands this very well. So even though we have a huge workforce, you know,
Yes,
and all,
yes,
but
yeah.
आपने देखा है,
Yeah.
लेकिन उसके बावजूद, like 4 days back, we had this issue where, you know, we did not have housekeeping guys. My team did not bat an eyelid कि सर team नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं.
Wow.
Everybody, I mean, my designer, my
5
senior
of our
designer.
housekeeping guys left
तो एक साथ
एक साथ
So it was a
same day.
planned move.
It was a
ये
planned
तो चलो,
move.
ये तो attrition
हाँ,
ऐसे
नहीं है,
field में
नहीं होता ऐसे.
हाँ,
We are happy
definitely
for
not,
them. But what
just
happened
by
next
chance,
was
yeah.
that my whole team stood by me. कि sir, you are absolutely right. You need not bow down, and we are here to you know, do everything.
Lovely.
My GM was happy to pick up the garbage bag. At the
This
end
is
of the
all
day.
at the end of the day.
My
what you're setting an
senior
example.
designer was ready to pick up the broom. कुछ गिर गया तो मैं साफ कर रहा हूँ.
Wow.
No, but I did not have to tell them कि अभी
करो
because ये
या
2 दिन की
क्या करें.
emergency
Yes.
है.
हाँ.
They took it up. They took it
Wow.
up. Shami was happy to do the dish on that day.
Yeah, of
We were
course. I mean, I
having
think
tea, coffee
it's
for
our own-
guests.
It's our own. है
तो
ना,
ये
घर
मैं
पे
फिर
जो
से
सब
बोल रहा
करते
हूँ,
हैं.
ये कहना आसान है. It's easy to say.
Than
How many
to do
people
it.
can do it?
Yeah.
That's the real question.
Right.
How many people?
That is true. See, this is what I say कि when you do something, you also set an example. You have actually stood as an example for the rest of your staff. That's why they're doing it, because you're so humble, you're so down to earth, you're so grounded. That's the reason. And that's why you're on ground floor also, right? Okay, my page is on the other side. नहीं आप तो थर्ड फ्लोर तक हो भैया. I mean, आलीशान है यार. I love the way your studio
I always
looks.
used to dream one thing. I
you.
needed my
क्या
personal space
बढ़िया
to
है
work.
यार. Yeah.
And I always, you know, even today, I feel irritated if anybody walks onto my floor
Yeah.
without informing
That
me
is
in
true.
appointment.
Huh.
Because when I'm in that zone, I want time for myself, and nobody
is
is allowed. So God has given me that huge.
बहुत सुंदर.
huge
Yeah, no,
space.
each floor has its own beauty.
Yeah.
Plus, you're so welcomed there. मुझे वो एक बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी चीज़. And you know, when you're going to the second floor, even if it is to meet you, where you tell the, you know, so and so has come and go up. The lift, till the left, somebody is there. From the left, somebody is welcoming you. यार, I felt like a 5-star में हूँ यार. मैं तो, I mean, no less than it. Huh? Let me put it this way. So, luxury doesn't begin from what you see. It's from where you experience. तो मेरे लिए मुझे ये लगता है, the moment you step in to your store, it's that premium feel. And you not only just give them the premium feel and the luxury of the couture that we are having, but the treatment. That is so important. So I mean, I'm always happy to go there again and again, and I
I'm
keep
very
telling
happy
people,
that somebody is observing these small
Yes.
मैं तो
details.
बहुत, oh my God,
Because, yeah.
don't forget, if you're a Sagittarius, I'm a Libra. So every moment, everything that is worn, that is seen, for me, इसीलिए तो OCD हमको है और ये रहेगी, which is good in a way, because we are particular about the way we
Yes.
talk, way we look, way we feel, and the way we treat others, and that's exactly how you want to be treated. So
Yeah.
मेरे
You
लिए तो
expect
एक
the
ही
same
चीज़ है
things.
कि जब आप किसी को ट्रीट करते हो तो ये सोचो कि आप कैसा ट्रीटमेंट फील करना चाहते हो, वैसे ट्रीट करो. So you will get it. You don't have to expect it, ना? You give it, you get it. That's how you have got your blessings in place, because you've always treated people really well, no matter where you were and today where you are. God bless you with more and more success and growth and whatever. It should be like infinite to the power of infinity होना चाहिए आपका. That's what I'm going to hear. I'm going to be in Bangalore and see that. Pura, ekdam. Chola, the only one. That's how it should be. So yeah, when we come and talk about so much about fashion, you know, fashion has so many definitions. But how do you define fashion as? If I have to ask you, what does fashion mean to you as a designer?
I would rather share a couple of experiences
Yes.
to for everybody to understand what fashion means to them.
And the seriousness of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, because this comes as a shock to me.
Huh.
These are real life instances. So I have a friend who is in Germany, a school friend,
Huh.
and we connected after a long gap, really long gap. When I say school friend, and we did not have Facebook and anything
Right.
back then. So one fine day we connected, and he calls me and he asked me, "So Sanjay, so what are you up to? What are you doing? Explain. This is what I'm doing," and blah blah blah. So he heard over it, and at the end, he said, "वो सब तो ठीक है, पर करता क्या है?"
Oh.
And I'm
Yes.
like, okay,
Oh wow.
that was one. So this is the fashion awareness. Okay.
Wow.
Then I have a family friend.
Huh.
His daughter is studying in a very premier fashion institute of Bangalore.
Okay.
So I happened to be at their home, and this beautiful girl, she was preparing for her annual day fashion presentation through a fashion show
Okay.
at a premier 5-star property in Bangalore, which was about to happen in next 4-5 days.
Okay.
And in front of me, she said that, look,
ये मैंने किया है
मैं
presentation.
ऐसा ऐसा कर रही हूँ, and dad is not really exactly supportive and all, तो आप बात करोगे because you're from the industry, you probably understand a little better. And I looked at him, and you know what he said? It was disgusting downright. He said कि मैं फैशन शो में इसके नहीं जाने वाला हूँ, मैं वो नंगी पुंगी लड़कियों को नहीं देख सकता.
Oh my God.
Father talking about his own daughter who is about to graduate to be a designer.
Oh my God. See the awareness.
So the fashion awareness. So this is something, you know, which I really want to
And a
tell each
mindset,
and
यार.
हाँ, तो
Mindset.
ये मतलब see, he or that person kind of are a mirror to the society in some sense, right? कि society fashion को कितना seriously लेती है.
और ऐसे
Let
बोलेंगे
me
तो-
also add to this now, and I don't hesitate in telling you,
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
till some time back at least, most media,
Huh.
and I'm talking about print as well as electronic,
Huh.
they would send whom to cover the fashion. Do you know that? Absolute interns, absolute novices, जिनको कुछ नहीं आता. मीडिया क्या मानती है कि जो पॉलिटिकल न्यूज कवर कर रहा है,
हाँ.
क्राइम कवर
हाँ.
कर रहा है,
हाँ.
वो रिपोर्टर सीरियस है, उसको सब कुछ आता है.
Oh.
जिसको अच्छा इसने नया नया ज्वाइन किया,
तो
सेंड इट टू
भेज
कवर
दो
फैशन.
fashion. Oh my God.
Trust me on this.
अरे यार.
Then I get call from the
This is
media
sad. Very
that,
sad.
sir, you are participating in this particular fashion week. Who is your showstopper? The media is not asking me about my collection.
The
media
interest is
does
somewhere
not.
else, not
Yeah,
to
so
the
उनका
focus
जो
to
है वो यही है
fashion
कि
show.
भैया शॉर्ट स्टोर्स का
So
बनाइए, वो वाला करना.
superficial.
Oh
So
my
superficial.
God.
तो मीडिया लेवल हो या नीचे का लेवल या आम जनता का
सभी.
लेवल हो, फैशन का ये अवेयरनेस इंडिया में रहेगा, then
Focus is
मेरा
not on the
पर्सपेक्टिव
fashion,
क्या काम
focus is
है?
on the show.
Oh my
Right?
God. This is sad.
Yeah.
Really sad.
Yeah, it is
And
very
deep
challenging.
down, it really hurts,
It hurts,
right?
It hurts a lot.
Yeah,
It hurts
I'm
a lot.
sure. Yeah.
It's very frustrating.
It is.
And then when we hear people, when I wear certain type of clothes, they would say, "Hey, look, you are a designer. तुम तो कुछ भी पहन सकते हो." No,
Oh yeah, that.
I
that-
mean, you
yeah,
would have
yeah,
heard
that's
that
something.
yourself.
So many people say
How
that.
does that work?
How does that
मतलब हम
work?
कहीं भी
Exactly.
कैंची लगा दे,
काट
कहीं से भी
के-
काट
काट
दे,
दे क्या वो
वो
डिजाइनर बन
designer
जाएगा क्या?
नहीं.
No, but people's perception. That's what he
Yes.
meant. People's perception.
Perception. So that's very sad. That's
So
very
coming to
strenuous
I mean,
at
this
times.
It's quite
No,
sad, यार. मेरे को
it is.
खुद,
When people
it
talk
is.
about latest trend, what is latest trend?
So coming to that,
What
when
is-
you say latest trend, so Shami, do you see? I mean, आपने तो इतने सालों से देखते आए हो आप. Do you see there's a change in fashion, in trend in the last at least 10 years? Let's see, decade wise चलते हैं. So आपको लगता है क्या type of growth या क्या type of changes आए हैं
It has
fashion में?
evolved definitely
It has
from
evolved.
there to now, but not much. It is
In
not
what
vast.
way do you say it has evolved?
See,
Like
evolved in
typically
the sense
in what
ki,
factor?
Men, they are also fashion conscious
Ah,
now.
this is a
That's
big-
important.
now.
The
big
primary
change.
thing is change in men's
But the
fashion.
mentality, latest trend, what is latest trend? They want to follow that latest trend. Wo, that has not gone.
You know, if you come to my
Not
store,
that experiment and
yeah.
explore, but they just क्या चल रहा है उसी में घुस जाओ.
So you would have
Oh.
noticed this at my store now at the entrance. This is very in your face poster, I know, but I've mentioned, please don't talk about latest trend. Meet our designers
Oh, yes, I
to
see.
design.
Yes. Yeah. It's actually curating, you know. Why
Yeah.
should we? अब वो कहते हैं वो कर रहे हैं हम भी वो कैटल शेड है ना
हाँ,
सारे
cattle
चल रहे हैं
वाला.
गाय बैल
Right.
लेके उनके पीछे पीछे हम भी चल
Right.
पड़े भाई फिर तुमने
Right.
क्या अलग किया
Right.
हट
So
के
there's
क्या
nothing, you know, I just don't want to believe this. आपको समझना as a viewer, you know, anybody must understand this so-called fashion trend is designed to fleece money. It is as
Ah.
simple as that.
So maybe that is
Varna-
there in the mindset, no?
Yeah. So every 6 months, why would you change your wardrobe? And look around yourself. Your dadi, your ma maybe would have worn this very expensive Kanchivaram silk saree, for example, which would have cost probably 50,000, a lakh or upwards, and that can be used 20 years still.
That is true.
The
And
same
your
piece.
clothes today don't last 6 months.
That is
They're
because
designed
heritage
not to
piece.
last 6
Right.
months.
That's what we
Heritage.
create. We create
Beautiful.
our
Your heritage
creation. You will get
collection.
heritage collection. What we have designed today, you can wear that same piece after 20 years also.
Lovely. So it is not about the money fleecing, making
No.
money. It is all
No.
about
We
the
always
real
talk about
fashion.
sustainability.
Sustainability and real fashion. It's a real time
So in
fashion.
fact, every time we have a discussion with our clients, we always check on them and we always insist that try to get clothes which last,
You
which are
have-
forever,
yes.
which are very beautiful, which
Oh,
look
that
trendy,
reminds me, I
yes.
have something. I'll come back to you on
we
this
have
because
clients.
I have
They
something
call
which I
us and they
preserved
tell
for
us,
30 years.
Yes,
I will
they,
come back.
They say
Yeah.
like we have your pieces which are in the trunk.
Right.
It's we are unable to fit into that, but we are trying. We are trying to
How
lose
lovely
weight
is
and
that?
we want.
How
to
lovely
fit in
is that?
Yes,
How
yes.
lovely is that? That's a big,
So-
huge compliment.
It's
Yeah,
a huge
it's
compliment. And in fact, last week itself, one of the Sunday morning,
Yes.
imagine you open your WhatsApp and you find this gentleman. We did his Sherwani around 6 to 8 years back.
Okay.
And he's
Wedding Sherwani.
messaged me, कि
That
Sanjay
wearing it
ji,
again.
every time I open my wardrobe, I look at your Sherwani and you are a magician.
I told that. Your magic
you know,
wand.
imagine I showed that message to my kids, my mom.
How
Look,
lovely.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And
And
again, I
he's
come
been
back.
using that 6 years before we created that, and he's using that wedding
That-
Sherwani. Imagine he is using for
That is
his.
वो this is called sustainability. पर ये नहीं एक टाइम पहना कहीं घसीट दिया कहीं because you can't wear it again because you feel अरे ये मैं दोबारा कैसे पहनूं. Lot of those
अच्छा
times.
ये एक और जो माइंडसेट है कई लोगों का है where people think कि I've already used it 4 times, 5
तो अब नहीं
times,
पहन
अब मैं
सकते.
कैसे पहनूंगा?
नहीं,
I
नहीं,
again
मैं
just
तो
don't
I
buy
to
that.
recreate style to wear it.
Yes.
Huh? Why not?
You know, if
Your
it is a real good piece of
jewelry,
clothing, you
why
should be
not?
wearing it forever.
Why
What's
not?
wrong in that?
Actually,
Yes.
what?
There's
How
no
do you
shame
use your
in that.
jewelry?
Yeah.
Your
right.
diamond
सब
earrings,
सोचते हो,
your
सब
gold
सोचते हैं, एक बार
necklace,
पहन
yes,
लिया
yes.
अलग. I'll tell you this is
Something
very
like
funny though, but there are times when I wear something and people ask me where did you buy? I still have that message in my messenger. It was last week. I went to an event and I'm hosting, and somebody asked me where is that blazer from. When I said it is 30-year-old, they were like, what? Okay, first thing, ki, how is she fitting into it? I said, boss, hard work. That's no shortcut. You know, I've been a fitness expert. Not just that, I'm enthusiast. वो तो addiction है ही है, चलो. But to keep that, maintain it, and wear it again after 30 years, and not that once I've worn it in between, kept it like that. How would people say sustainable? यार, एक event जा रही हो तो क्या एक और खरीद के पहन के चली जाऊंगी? No, I need not. If you have.
Sometimes we need
So your
to
fashions
tell
are-
people, like, you know, one of my Instagram feeds, I found one of these very popular RJs. She posted that she picked up 5 t-shirts for some $2,000 and she was very proudly boasting
it
about
out,
it.
yes.
So I did a DM to her and I explained her, do you even realize those 400 rupees t-shirt would have come with massive exploitation?
Yes.
Massive, and you have no idea. One is the durability part of
Yes.
it, the labor part of
Yeah.
it, the chemicals used in it.
Kitna-
So do you realize anything of? And she was shocked. She said
Yeah,
it never occurred to me.
Occurred to me, yeah.
So a lot of
Right.
times it does not occur to
Yeah.
a lot of youngsters and a lot of other people, and they actually, you know, very coolly say कि यार हमको 2 बार पहनना है.
हाँ, बहुत आराम से बोलते हैं ये लोग.
No, so
हाँ.
let's not do that. I
Only
understand.
200 people are seeing, are present on that event. We are just wearing for 50 people.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that. It's a piece what you have given, what
exactly.
you're wearing, and yes.
Yeah. So coming to this part, you know, where I see the passion coming out so much, Shami, this particularly to you, is there any particular project that you worked on which is very close to your heart as designer? मैंने पता नहीं कितने ही आपने किए होंगे. God bless you with more and more. But any project that you have done which is very close to your heart and remains forever a memory.
See, close to heart, we have lot of projects. But
Yes.
you talk about
Creation?
creation and hard work. What we have put, it's, you know, same thing for both of us. There was an event, cheerleader. We designed for
So, you know,
cheerleaders.
yeah, this is how it is.
for-
It is not. It does not sound like really very big
Not-
that we did for cheerleaders.
yes,
but
but-
the whole story, I think that is where everybody needs to really listen and understand to this. I'm sorry, I'm cutting into this.
No, but because I want her to say this. Really.
It was for the IPL event.
Oh, okay.
And it was for cheerleaders. They
Cheerleaders.
gave us this project,
Huh.
and they wanted us to create the from scratch,
Okay.
designing to
Huh.
the ready piece.
Okay.
And it was we were very short of time, and we had to go to Delhi
Huh.
for for
Okay.
this.
Huh.
We arranged one boutique. We tied up with the boutique over
Okay,
there
okay.
because it was we didn't have their measurements also.
Yeah.
So we went there, costumes bana ke from top to head. Matlab
Oh.
accessories, your footwear, your
Oh my
outfits, sab
God.
kuch.
Entire head to toe everything.
Entire. And
You,
the
Shami,
short
the
of
real
time
story was there this that the measurements which were given to us were flawed.
were flawed.
Oh.
Yes.
Were completely flawed. These chair
Oh
girls
my
were
God.
coming from South Africa. And the moment I got the measurements, I called up the company.
And you
I
knew
said,
that it is-
yeah, well,
Yeah.
with your experience, you know these
Yes,
measurements
yes.
are flawed, it
Are
doesn't
flawed,
work.
yes.
So I called them, I said, Mr. So and so, the measurements which you have shared with me are flawed. And you know what his answer was?
So
Wow.
So-
what do you expect me to do?
So he
Ew,
said,
wow.
yeah,
As
I mean,
designers,
and do
what
you,
do you expect us
yeah.
to do?
So he's like, so? I said, well, so nothing. We'll figure it out. So what she's saying, the backstory was this: we had literally no measurements.
no measurements.
No
And that-
measurements
So you had to
and
go
the
there and
fabrics-
restart the
No, no,
whole
no, no,
thing.
no, no.
And
The
the
fabrics were very
fabrics were
tricky, very, very tricky. No measurement. So we have to complete the costume because Friday they're landing in Delhi. Friday we're doing the measurements, fittings.
and the colors of fabric what we wanted to design that not exist.
They don't exist. So we had to create from scratch. The
Oh
challenge was
my
this:
God.
Friday the girls land, Friday you do the fittings, and Sunday was the first IPL.
Oh my God.
Even the color of the
All right.
shoes, color of the accessories and the fabric.
This is huge. This is
Yes,
a very, very.
huge.
I'm sure कि
the
ये memorable
biggest
रह
challenge
जाएगी हमेशा.
was what if the costumes which we have created and we do the fittings if they don't
If
fit
they
them?
don't fit, then क्या?
Right? So that was the
It's a
biggest
rework,
story. Yeah.
whole
No, no,
thing.
it was impossible.
It was
Nobody
impossible.
on earth could have created those
No,
things,
no,
right?
no, those-
So what we did was what she was telling was the next step forward. We
Created a
tied up with this. So we created everything. We sent them extra fabric. We told ki, because your tailors are not used to stitch this fabric. They're very,
Yes,
very
very
delicate, right?
tricky.
So you please train your tailors for 1 week just to stitch, random stitch.
In case
so we
of any
wasted.
alterations,
तो फिर
we
जल्दी कर
trained
सकते हैं
them.
so that they know
Yes.
कि इसको करना
Right,
कैसे.
Yeah.
right.
Wow.
So we
Our
wasted a lot
That's
of
a
fabric
great
on
idea.
that.
I mean, कितना innovative हो यार आप. तो
So
I
we
can-
sent them the fabric in advance
हाँ.
and we asked them to get themselves trained for this because tailors would not be able to do. And
Our tailors are trained, but there
Them,
and this.
huh?
Yes.
before leaving, departing for Delhi, my mom, of course, was there, and my sister happened to be at home. And I told her what project we have taken. Let me tell you, this is impossible. Only God can save us because we knew the measurements are flawed, and I have no clue where am I going right or wrong. I said, Mama, please bless कि हो जाए.
कि सब हो जाए.
And trust me, she said कि सब ठीक होगा. She just said सब ठीक होगा. Didi said tension मतलब सब ठीक होगा. So we landed at Delhi. Straight away hotel. The girls were there. and the
Landed
practice were
around
there.
11, 12.
Yeah,
And
11,
the
And
show
Shami
was
took
around
all
the
the girls.
measurements.
Shami took all the girls to the room for trial, and I was just praying all gods possible, and I was waiting
कि
कि
सब
अब
आए
कुछ
और सब-
आएगा. And 1 hour passes, Shami is not to be seen, and my heart beats are like, my God.
As usual.
क्योंकि 1 hour हो गया, it means there's massive issues happening in each garment. So I don't know. And then I see Shami coming with full smile.
girls
Sorry.
were jumping with joy, and
कि
you know,
इतनी अच्छी fitting
because
होगी.
they had to dance and should be
Ah,
comfortable,
yeah, it has to be
and the kind of comfort they were jumping, and they were not letting me go out. They were, like
So they were
jumping.
actually doing cheerleading inside
हाँ,
only.
हाँ,
ये हो गया
They were
इनका.
hugging and kissing.
Oh,
Shami
wow,
ये वो.
amazing. Oh, this is a
And
great
nice,
share,
yeah.
यार. Because
So
people
the
think
point
कि
is this-
जो देख रहे हैं उतना ही. उसके पीछे
So
क्या?
all I'm saying is that it is not always about, see, designing is a part of it. अब designing के multiple stages हैं, right from conceptualization to sketching to your construction. Now construction has multiple
Execution.
parts, which is your cutting part of it. Then you have embroidery part of it, surface
Stitching,
ornamentation,
and
then
all
the
of that.
accessories, then the tailoring part. So there are a lot of steps
Lot of
involved, and
aspects.
every step has to go absolutely perfect
Yeah.
to get that final finished product in the
Which
best
is
way possible.
flawless.
Yes.
Which only
So-
Chola can do.
No, a lot of others can do. I'm
No,
sure
no,
about.
यहाँ तो for me it's like Chola can do.
या
So,
तो ये जो आप फाइनल फिनिश प्रोडक्ट को देख के बोल देते हो कि हाँ ये तो ठीक है या आप आराम से जो ऐसे दैट्स वन रीजन आई डू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट वी डू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन एनी एग्जीबिशन इज दिस व्हेन पीपल लुक एट माय क्लोथ्स लाइक दिस इज समथिंग लाइक अ बिग नो नो टू मी यू कांट अप्रिशिएट यू कांट रिस्क आई एम सो सॉरी या देयर आई एम
know,
वेरी
फिर वो-
egoistic.
His blood
Ah,
starts
no,
boiling when
no, no.
anyone does like this.
You
to
do
our
this to
clothes.
my garment.
No, which is I think he's right because वो फिर वही हुआ ना कि आप आलू प्याज खरीद रहे हो.
Exactly.
कितने देख लिए चलो
Yes.
शायद अरे देखते हैं चलते
To me, you know, there's a story behind each of my
You
collection.
can't
There's a
understand
garment.
something just
just
seeing
like
it.
that ऐसे
Yes.
ही हाथ पैर चला के.
Sure.
Are you all ready for that
I am ready to lose it, I know.
Why should you be losing it though? Why
Because
should you
she
be
is
losing
a
it?
champ. She's the
She's a
pro.
champ?
She's pro.
है ना? आपको होना चाहिए. Okay, so now we are ready for the rapid fire round. And you, my dear guests, Shami and Sanjay, you should know the rules very clearly. No overthinking. ठीक है, बिल्कुल भी overthinking का time नहीं मिलेगा आपको. And no diplomatic answers also. तो यहाँ पे diplomacy भी नहीं चलेगी. Now let's see who wins it, the diva or the sultan. ठीक है? And for her, let me start with the lady, the beautiful lady first. One outfit you designed that you would wear every day if you could.
Yes, it is one piece, and I
You had designed it.
Yes. I love that. You ask me anytime, any day you ask me, I'm ready to wear
Which
that.
one?
It's a a very earth tone,
अच्छा.
multicolors, sort of dark and light color combination outfit, which I can wear any
day. So she does have that answer right on her head because she's very clear on what she wants. I continue with you because I'll come back to him later because rapid fire है, टक चलना है. Second, who is the bigger critic of your work, the clients or your partner? Clear answer है.
The clients love her.
You love her too.
The clients love her.
You love her too. But then you're bigger critic, which is good.
Yes.
That's how you
Yes.
grow. Yeah. One celebrity you would love to see wearing your designs.
Pretty.
Preeti
Zinta, yes.
Wow. Okay. And any particular reason that you have that in your mind?
I love her, like the way she smiles and the way she carries her clothes. I love
So you
her,
just
yes.
want.
Yes.
So Preeti, if you are anywhere sitting pretty, Shami wants you. So yeah, and why not have her on my podcast also, nahi?
Wearing chola.
Huh?
Wearing,
chola.
yes.
Hi.
Yes.
My God. Muh mein ghee shakkar. Okay. Now, coming to the next one. If fashion had a zodiac sign, what would it be and why? If the fashion had a zodiac sign, you understand the zodiac signs as to what?
Yes.
What would it be and why?
Sagittarius.
मैंने कितना सोचा लिब्रा बोल देगी मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ दिल दुख गया यार मेरा Sagittarius देखो how much she knows you know and why
It's I can see him, the kind of qualities he has got, that those I want to see
You-
in my design, in my
in that particular zodiac and that collection. Wow. Okay. Okay. Complete this sentence for me. My partner may be the creative genius. Okay. My partner may be the creative genius, but I am the.
blessing for him.
I love it. How confidently, huh? इनका हो गया है, अब आपकी बारी है. So, but she has not taken more than 2 seconds for any answer. So let's see, as we said, who's the winner in this. So for you, if your life were a runway show, what song would you walk to?
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Okay, that's a very clear one. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना. You would love to walk on that?
Yeah, with a guitar in
Oh
hand.
wow, look at that. Look at that.
With a
Okay.
leather jacket.
Okay, this is going to be a little tricky, but we would love to have your answer on this. What's her, Shami's, one habit in the studio that gives you absolutely, or rather gets you absolutely mad, but you surely secretly find that adorable?
Oh, she's very cool. Yeah. In any situation,
Huh.
I'm the other guy. I would be boiling. I would.
But you're
be,
saying it drives you mad.
नहीं,
Any habit of hers?
वही मैं आपको बताने
Oh,
की
her
कोशिश कर
coolness
रहा हूँ.
drives you
Her
mad.
coolness. I wish I had that coolness.
Oh,
I really wish. I really wish, because in most situations she is amazingly cool-headed.
and then you actually secretly
you
admire
know,
this.
trust me on this. Like I would be, this is wrong. This is wrong.
but वो बिल्कुल नहीं ना.
इसने ये
शांत.
सुनते नहीं है. She's not
इसीलिए
even.
तो मैंने believe नहीं किया. She would have said, "Shut up to you."
So that's what I'm saying. Look at the beauty of it. She would not listen. She would not react. Just the job over. And after 30 minutes, I realized, well, what she did was so sensible. Because she moves on and she gets the job done while I'm still yelling, cribbing.
Wasting so much time.
My energy.
Okay, next one. One trend you wish would just disappear forever.
ये लेटेस्ट वाला जो ना यहाँ से नीचे तक the whole straight बड़ा बड़ा पजामा jeans with too many
Yes, sir.
torn things.
Oh, जो खूब सारे छेद हैं अंदर.
हाँ, like dude, no, this doesn't work in most body types.
So ये
please-
बिल्कुल ही vanish हो जाना
ये
चाहिए.
इतना बड़ा वाला. See, I love the bell bottoms. I wear
Yeah,
bell bottom
yeah,
because
I
they're
know,
very
yes.
nicely shaped
But
around the
not from the
thighs.
top to bottom the
Yes, that's
same.
right,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, that's like.
और किसी-
यहाँ palazzo
अब मुझे
है,
हमेशा-
यहाँ पे
नहीं,
बहुत
नहीं,
से पता नहीं क्या है वो. That's
I'm
true.
always concerned कि कोई बच्चा से पहले खींच देगा तो क्या होगा.
Oh, वो low waist वाले. Oh my God, let's not even talk about that. Gen Zs are watching us, okay? And they're the ones who actually wear them a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, next one. If you weren't a designer, because you said, मैं तो ये देख रही हूँ कि पता नहीं chemical engineer पता नहीं क्या-क्या बोले आप अपने बारे में. If you weren't a designer, what completely different job would you be doing
I
today?
will answer that.
Wow. Let me see because she knows you so well.
If there is a
Any-
job like that, convincer. Anyone
He can convince.
he can convince. He can. I'll tell you one story. You remember when Osama bin Laden was
Yeah.
alive?
Yeah.
तो मतलब हमारी टीम में भी किसने बोला था, मैम आप सर को भेज दो उसको कन्विंस करने के लिए. वो अपने आप को सरेंडर कर देगा.
Surrender कर देगा.
Yes.
ये तो आप मेरे से छीन रहे हो थोड़ा बहुत. This
Is that-
this title आप मेरे से छीन रहे हो.
उस लेवल का कन्विंसर.
I can so understand
Yes.
this.
सरदार ने
But
convince
what do you feel, Sanjay? आप अगर नहीं होते डिजाइनर तो क्या होते आज? अगर नहीं होते तो
anything of these things, you know, convincer तो कुछ नहीं होता होगा, I think, but a counselor, a podcaster,
हाँ.
a movie critic, movie reviewer, anything, you know.
Is there
everybody
something
to
like that,
talk,
huh?
Yes.
talk, talk, talk.
I can say
That's why I said you're taking away my job.
मैथमेटिशियन he would have been that. वो आर्यभट्ट के बाद कोई हुआ है तो ये हुआ है.
Oh, that's a great compliment, huh? But now, the last one to you. Describe Shami in 3 words, but none of the words can be beautiful or stylish. 3 words, quick.
Very cool-headed, very, very passionate in whatever she takes, very passionate, and she tolerates me. उससे बड़ा क्या हो सकता है यार?
Tolerant. My goodness.
Tolerating me is impossible. None of
If I have to tell that to you,
I'll have to
say
keep my
3 words
collar
for
up.
him.
For him, I've told you, one is great mathematician, and he is superb gentleman. मतलब I can't tell you the class
That
spells.
he has, yes. Amazing. And the third
Yes.
one?
And third one, convincer. He can
Now,
convince
bonus,
anyone.
एक bonus, which is a joint answer. I mean, a question for the two of you, for that adorable banter moment that I want to have in my podcast, is that if you two had to design an outfit, okay, if the two of you have got an opportunity to design an outfit defines your relationship, what would it look like? Structured and classic or wild and unpredictable, and why?
I would design a most beautiful, sexy sari with a very, very sexy blouse for her. She looks super duper gorgeous in sari, and every time she wears a sari, everybody goes gaga.
Gaga.
Hey, ma'am, you look amazing. You look.
And
amazing.
what about you, Shami?
Structured and classy.
Dekha? This is the whole combination of
Yeah,
a
because
perfect
every time I
partner.
think I wear a
He wears
bandgala,
bandgala.
sherwani.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
he looks-
Eyes are. सबसे पहले, you know, when he'll come out of the room, पहन के bandgala, and mummy will say, "राजा का कंवर आया."
How lovely is that, yaar?
Yes.
Very amazing. And I can imagine you carrying that off. I've seen you so many times in different styles, and she to grace personified hai, yaar. She is a grace personified, to be very honest with you.
Thank you.
And this is not because you're on my podcast. I've always been saying this to both of you. So I think this was amazing the way you all. I think यार इसमें तो दोनों जीत गए. Because दोनों ने किसी ने टाइम नहीं लिया. But अगर
नहीं,
दिया
नहीं.
जाए points तो I think
Shami को
Shami,
देना.
I will give it to Shami. Ah, yes, I love the way she is.
हारना नहीं सीखा मैंने.
This is
मेरे
the
को
spirit.
जीत लिया था फिर.
और क्या देख इसमें भी खुद की मतलब कहीं मत छोड़ो क्रेडिट
नहीं
लेना
छोड़ना,
संजय
कहीं- हाँ, he's number one in
सब
that.
जगह में क्रेडिट लेना है भी पॉडकास्ट की क्रेडिट मत ले लेना हाँ no, but
credits
then
में हमारा नाम
with all
नीचे आएगा,
with
the
the
guest
credits
will
में
be
this but with all this love and so much you would surely agree that this was not just a podcast where we had a lot of banter fun fashion style but so much of heart and compassion as we spoke we knew about the fashion we knew so much about so everyone knows here that you're not here just for fun there's here a very meaningful talk and conversation well the conversation remains a chat though and never an interview so see you all in the next episode till such time stay tuned stay stylish, stay fashionable, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe podcast channel Probashi
Niche.
Potpourri. And this is what we are going to do is take this up and a cheers to the podcast channel Probashi Potpourri. Yay!
Cheers.